Today, I want to show you part of our research process for how we come up with keywords, description recommendations for our designs and our prints, and some of the keywords and tags that we can use when listing our prints on Spoonflower. So, Judy and I were looking at Pinterest the other day, and we noticed that peacocks were trending. And Judy started going down the rabbit hole like she normally does, looking for ideas around peacocks. Now, a couple of things on Pinterest in terms of our thought process of how we go choosing what could potentially be a popular design prompt or idea. So she came in, typed in peacock, and as you type it in, you start seeing already some suggestions, like for example, peacock rangoli, peacock drawing, peacock tattoo, peacock feather tattoo, so on and so forth. So these are the most popular keywords that people are searching for in Pinterest when they're typing in their first word. So in this case, it's peacock, and right here already you start getting some ideas for designs. So looking through some of these things, we wanted to figure out, well, how popular is peacock wallpaper and are people searching for it? So one of the tools that we like to use is a tool called Ubersuggest, and they have a Chrome plugin that gives you a lot of really cool info. This is the tool. It's by Neil Patel, and it's called Ubersuggest, and you can find it at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest, and they have a free version and a paid version. After using it for a while, we actually upgraded to the paid version. We actually find that it's great for research. So anyways, with the Chrome plugin installed, you'll notice that added to your Google search bar, you get some additional information. So we typed in peacock wallpaper and saw right away that there's 6,600 people in the US alone looking for peacock wallpaper. That's a positive signal. The other thing you'll notice is that the Ubersuggest extension gives you some more information, which are related keywords. So colorful peacock wallpaper, or as you go down, peacock wallpaper peel and stick, which is definitely something that we have at Spoonflower, beautiful color peacock wallpaper, and so on and so forth. Now that we know that this is an area that we may want to explore, we can actually go in a little bit deeper in Ubersuggest, and this is one of the Ubersuggest screens, and it shows peacock wallpaper, for example. We typed in to discover new keywords. We wanted to find out what other things are trending around peacock wallpaper. And you'll see that there's a huge list of things like peacock wallpaper bathroom. So where that comes in handy is if we end up designing a peacock wallpaper print, in the description, we may say something like, this peacock wallpaper is perfect for a bathroom, for example, and know that there's 110 people a month looking for that. So every little bit of traffic that you can send to your designs using keywords or descriptions is a huge boost to your designs. Other interesting tools that they have within Ubersuggest, apart from the suggestions, is related keywords. So you can actually come in here and see some of the related keywords, or like questions that people ask, like what peacock symbolizes. 90 people a month are searching for that. Or for example, peacock color wallpaper, other great things. Like some of them aren't pertinent or relevant, but some of them are. The other thing that we do, now that we know that this is something that we definitely want to pursue, is we can go in deeper. So we can actually see within spoonflower.com what people are searching for in terms of peacock. So I filtered the keyword for spoonflower.com just to look for peacock, and this is what it gave me. So feathers peacock, peacock color, peacock wallpaper, wallpaper peacock, red peacocks, golden peacocks, peacock fabric, peacock teal. So this gives Judy a lot of design prompts that she can start working from, and heighten or maximize the potential for those designs to rank higher within Spoonflower or Google or Etsy or any of the other shopping platforms. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and it helps you further your own designs. Thanks.